You can definitely finish it in 1.5 years. There's really no need to stay for another semester. Having said that, your OPT period starts as soon as you graduate. So you need to be able to have secured a full-time job by the time you graduate in order to actually not do the fourth semester. So a lot of students end up doing that. They finish 20 credits or roughly about 20 credits in the first 2 semesters. They are left with 10 credits, which they can finish in the third semester, or they keep like 8 credits in the third semester and they just take like one course in the last semester just to keep that semester for job hunting. So different courses have different times. I mean, there are M engineering courses which are only like less than a year. You don't want to graduate early because there are some courses that you have to finish and you cannot finish that in less than the stipulated time for some courses. But for IEOR, it is a 2-year course. From my point of view, it is a pretty flexible course. I mean, it's a pretty flexible structure that you can choose to finish it in 1.5 years. For CS, people do get jobs, so they might choose to get leave early. Mechanical students, again, the job scenario from department to department is different. It varies, and you need to actually understand how good or bad the job scene is, and accordingly graduate early or later than however you want. There are many statistics courses such as regression, machine learning, and basic courses which I have taken, which a couple of my friends have taken. There might be situations where the professor might not want students from other than the department to join the course. In that case, you just need to go talk to the professor, send him an email, and then go sign a different, take a manual copy and get signed from him. It is pretty simple to audit course. Like I mentioned, there are some courses where the students from that department, such as the MBA department, there are courses in the management school which I wanted to take. They are pretty good for using R for analytics and stuff. So they are coding courses. They are pretty important, but the professor has limited seating that he has been allotted. It is out of his hands to actually allow a student. So in those cases, you cannot register for them. If you're really interested in the course, the professor will find out a way for you to join it, either that semester or the next semester. From my point of view, because I was a non-thesis student, there is not a lot of scope for RA or TA in my department. But in other departments, such as mechanical, if you're a thesis student, then you can definitely, I think you're allotted a professor for thesis before you come here. So you meet your thesis advisor, and then you can decide if you want to go ahead with that professor or you want to change your professors. So there's another assistantship called a graduate assistantship, where you basically work for a department and your tuition is waived off and you get like a monthly salary. But you have to also, they make you work a lot, and that work generally not that tough. It is basically like filling Excel sheets and like data management and stuff like that.